So what does this mean? This means that everything that you see in the model unit that is not removable is part of the package. Complete bathroom and toilet fixtures such as toilet bowl, countersink and lavatory, shower set and even the mirror, provision for a hot and cold shower set and washing machine, bedroom cabinet, fire alarm and detection system, and of course the balcony. You also get to have smart locks for your main door. Now let's take a look at the unit features. And these are the building features.